Today, we are going to learn about profit maximization in the long run for perfect competition. It is generally stated that some characteristics of perfect competition are that there are many producers and many consumers, they sell identical products, and there are no barriers to entry. That last point is especially important for profit maximization in the long run in perfect competition. As we saw in profit maximization in the short run, the firms are making a profit. Since there are no barriers to entry, these profits attract new firms to enter the market. These new firms increase the supply of the product and shift the market supply curve to the right. This will also shift the equilibrium point where quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. As you can see in the graph on the left, which shows the market, the equilibrium price decreases from P0 to P1, and the equilibrium quantity increases from Q0 to Q1. As we saw in its profit maximization in the short run, the dotted line that shows the price continues from the graph of the market on the left to the graph of the individual firm on the right. These prices also show the demand curves for the individual firm in a perfectly competitive market. As we mentioned previously, firms will enter the market if there is profit. However, they will also exit the market if they see losses. Thus, long-run equilibrium in a perfectly competitive market will be achieved when profit equals 0. We can recall that profit can be found by the equation of total revenue minus total cost. We also know that total revenue is equal to price times quantity, and total cost is equal to ATC, or average total cost, times quantity. And these two equations can be combined into price minus average total cost altogether times quantity. Thus, since profit must be 0, average total cost must equal the price. This price will decrease from P0 to P1 until it equals the minimum ATC, where the marginal cost curve intersects with the average total cost curve. At this point, profit is equal to 0, since price equals ATC in the long run. Equilibrium has been achieved, and profit has been maximized in a perfectly competitive market in the long run. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again in my next video.